Hello everyone, this is CJ Transport and Trips and More here, and today we are going to unbox my new GoPro Hero 7 silver camera. So I've been talking about this camera for ages, and now it's finally with me now, so I can use it for fishing and snorkeling because this is underwater. So that's fantastic. Anyway, let's get straight into it. I've already unboxed it because you've got to unbox these things carefully and I need 2 hands. But we're going to take a good look at what we've got here. So let's look on the side of the box. We can see it's 10 megapixels, 4K, which is really good. It can go 10 meters underwater. Of course, it has a microphone. Touch screen, which is pretty handy. 2x slow-mo. A GPS to find your location and WDR, whatever that means. I don't know. Anyway, along with that, we've got some accessories in our action kit, and of course, it's a different brand, but we've got a wrist mount. Anyway, we're going to take a look at the camera, so we can see it looks very nice. And then this is its protective casing, so we can take that underwater. But I've bought a special case, which we're going to look at, which is the Super Suit, so that it's just in case when I put it underwater. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Our first accessory is the Super Suit. Comes with 2 spare doors, of course, when you have to put your camera in. And then, of course, come on, there we go, Super Suit itself. So here's the lens, and then obviously we can put it in, and then of course here we have the buttons to turn it on. So there we go, that looks nice, and got plenty of these, but comes with this, which obviously is with the GoPro, which is right here. That's what it looks like. But it's always good to have spares around here. So we're going to put this in an orderly fashion. We're going to put this Super Suit here, and we're going to take a look at it in the Super Suit, and I'm going to put it in the Super Suit for Lights in My Pool video that I'm going to make this weekend. And of course I'll be making a quality test. So we've got that and that. So let's take a look at something else we've got. Sleeve and lanyard. Not sure what that's for. This is what it looks like. So it looks like an extra protective rubber case, which is pretty cool. So if you're just using the camera as it is, you can just simply put it over like that, and it will sure to work. So it's nice to have a nice protective rubber casing. So that's the sleeve and lanyard. Gonna put it over with the other stuff. This, one of the most essential things you need for a GoPro, the handler. Just going to take a look, sorry if I banged the camera a bit. This is what it looks like. Looks very nice. GoPro. Obviously you slot the camera in here. So if we take a look, I'll see if I can slot this in with one hand. Just going to hold it. I might need to put the camera down. Is it gonna go in? Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go in? Is it gonna go in? Oh, it might as well could. Okay, I've got control of it. This is hard. Oh, there we go. No, I need to put the camera down. Ah, there we go. There we go. This is what it would look like. You would hold it like this. Obviously, you always need this handler to hold the GoPro. So that's what else is in the Hero Action Kit. I'm going to put it over here. Next, I've got a spare rechargeable battery. So, sorry about the bang again. It's got a spare rechargeable battery, which is nice. And last but not least, we've got this wrist mount. So basically I can attach it to my wrist, we can use it for bikes and all sorts of things. Let's just use the spare one here just to make sure, since it's a different brand, that it can fit. Oh, come on, fit. I'll just put it down. Aha! In it goes. Right, it fits. That is good to see. So, oh, got one more thing to unbox. My head strap. So I need to pause the camera for a second. Okay, I've unboxed it, and hello. And we can see that it is worn like this on the head, and we've got this that can slot in. We've got this can hold the GoPro together. So that looks really nice. Those are all the accessories. And there you have it. That's my new GoPro, and we're going to test it out in a second. But first, we're actually going to do quality testing. So we're going to start with my phone. Okay? Yes, we're going to start with my phone. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. We're going to test it with my IXL Ventair exhaust fan, which is right here. Now, I found a little trick. Let's see if we can actually see the fan itself by turning on the light and just poking the camera. Yeah, we can see. Yeah, we can. Yes, we can see it. And then I'm going to turn on quickly. And we can watch the blade spin down. So there we go, we're able to see the blade of the IXL Ventair fan. So that's really cool. Alright, now let's see how the GoPro works. Okay, I'm using my GoPro now. So this is the first ever time I've actually tested it. We can take a look at the image, it looks very different, looks very circular. Anyway, I'm going to test it, how it works with the IXL Ventair. Alright. I might put my hand over it. Well, there we go, it works. Wonder how the quality is. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright, so this is a quality test of my GoPro, and to be honest, it feels quite convenient using it because it's not hard to record with. Let's test it by turning on these lights. Okay. Now let's just go this way around. So there we go. Right. That's how it works. Let's have a look. Looks very nice. So there we go. That's a testing of my new GoPro, which is quite nice. So there we go.